Do you know that 44% of teenagers in the US under the age of 18 is living in a low-income family? Among those 44%, half of them is considered as very poor. The other half is considered poor. This represents 32 million teenager kids in total. As lots of you guys watching my YouTube content, you're probably working for those top-tier companies already in Silicon Valley as a product manager, or you're aspiring product manager and you're getting paid like six-figure salaries. But do you know that the federal poverty line in the US is $31,200 for a family of 4 and $15,000 for an individual person? This represents the 22% of the entire population. Can you believe this? And I have a strong empathy for those kids from those low-income families because myself came from those super low-income families. Myself, back in China, even today, my dad is only making $300 per month for the whole family. And every single year, I still send money back to China. This sounds very embarrassing to admit to all of you guys. But there are so many hardworking teenager kids who really deserve another chance. They need additional help, additional membership, additional push. They help them to get into the next level and break the glass ceilings. So therefore this year, summer 2025, we are going to offer free AI Product Management Bootcamp for those teenager kids from low-income families in the US through our nonprofit, PMA Kids. And actually, we started PMA Kids nonprofit back in 2023, and we conducted lots of voice customer interviews. And now, let me share with you regarding our discovery and who is qualified for those free AI PM Bootcamp and how do you sign up. Hey guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, a direct product feature in Forbes. I've helped 1,000 people land their dream PM job offer in FAANG companies, a unicorn startup, and continue to get promoted as a product leader. If you're interested in free product management training and tech trends, like and subscribe, check out a new video every Tuesday. When we got started 2 years ago, we have a team of volunteers of like 12 people who reach out to different nonprofits and high schools and existing members of different kind of nonprofits. When we got started in 2023, we conducted lots of voice customer interviews for high school students from low-income families, and we reach out to our existing nonprofit partners such as eSchool for Girls or Tech Goes Home, who are already serving kids from low-income families. So we talk to people within their existing communities, and our volunteers also went out to conduct voice customer interviews at high school students or at different churches, and total of a team of 12 volunteers 2 years ago. And then we discovered a lot of shocking news and discoveries of those teenager kids from low-income families. For example, Sam, he's a high school student at one of the public schools in California. And both of parents are blue-collar worker, and his mom actually works at the San Francisco airport as a janitor. But his mom actually spent a lot of time during the weekend to work at the airport, especially work on those midnight and late hours all together and working about 60 hours per week. And he asked why work on the weekend, because during the weekend, they're going to double your pay because that's considered at the weekend, so you pay more. That's why Sam in general doesn't see his mom quite often. And he also had a little young sister, which is 9 years old. So now this like 17 years old Sam and is playing the father figure and taking care of his little sister. But Sam, even if he's a teenager, but he has a very mature heart. When our volunteer talked to him, asking what he wanted in the future, what kind of help he needs, he said the following: I want to know what kind of profession is going to get paid the most, what kind of major I need to study in college, so that I'm going to make as much money as possible and retire my parents as early as possible. We talked to many Sam like this, who didn't have the opportunity to spend lots of time with their parents, but who really want to work hard and study hard. All he used is those free resources from the library. He didn't have the money to pay for tutoring, advanced workshop, or boot camp. All he had is his determination and willing to put in the work. So through those voice customer interviews, we discovered that are also kids out there, of course, they need to get paid well for the future career, but they're missing career planning and discover their own personal interest and have a clear blueprint regarding how they can get into right university and land those good major and also land those high-paying job offer in the future. So therefore, we decide to give AI Product Management Bootcamp for free for those kids from low-income families, where they're going to build AI product together with a team of people, and each kid, they don't have to play the role as product manager because they can try out and explore different kind of professions. So the team is composed of software engineer, designers, and data scientists plus product managers. So all the kids is going to play different kind of responsibilities as a team. On top of that, we also provide a lot of mentorship, make sure that their product is going to be successful. Of course, also product, AI product, because we discovered that from AI Product Management Bootcamp, a lot of existing APIs through the large language models are so powerful that you can quickly prototype and develop your product much faster with the help of AI. So who is qualified for those free AI Product Management Bootcamp? They have to be the low-income families based on the standard from the US government. And currently, our team is trying to reach out to different kind of nonprofit or schools. They already pre-identify those kids qualify for low-income families. Of course, our team is also trying to figure out additional ways to really qualify people who's actually low income. So the bootcamp is going to kick off sometime in the summer of 2025, and my team is going to make additional announcements once we figure out detailed schedule. And we're also looking for volunteers, including mentors as a software engineer, data scientists, and designers and product managers who already have prior experience in the AI space so that you can start to mentor those kids. On top of that, our team is also going to bring in all our coaches from AI Product Management Bootcamp to give them free training so that we have group training, individual support, and mentorship to really ensure they have the best experience. On top of that, we're also looking for operational help for people to reach out to a nonprofit and also filter those applications, qualify people who actually are low income. So if you want to join us as a volunteer, or you know some teenager kids who come from low income families, please go to our website and link in the description of this video and submit a form so that our team is going to review all the application and get back to you shortly. Let's make sure that each kid we help has the opportunity to break through and accelerate. So how do we structure this free AI Product Management Bootcamp? It is 11-week training program. Every single week, we teach them AI knowledge, product management knowledge, AI UI UX design, as well as prompt engineering, go-to-market strategy, and hands-on experience developing their real-world AI product with a team of engineers and designers and product managers. And those kids are going to play different roles. They can choose to be the product manager. They can also choose to be a software engineer, designers, or data scientist. Together, they're going to launch a product within 11 weeks. On top of that, we'll also have a team of coaches who teach them how to do it. We also need additional mentors who give them one-on-one guidance and help them throughout the entire process of developing their own product. If you want to learn more about AI Product Management Bootcamp in general, and you can go to this website to download our syllabus right here. And I also have a free video talking about the only 4 ways to become a Gen AI Product Manager. You can watch this video right here and continue your own learning journey as well. And please help out if you know any kids who come from low-income families who need lots of help. Please make sure to forward this video to them and share this video and like this video so that we're able to impact millions of people together. This is Dr. Nancy Lee from PMAccelerator.io. Like and comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you in my next video right here.